What's going on, YouTube? Jay Gardy here with the beautiful girlfriend, the most beautiful girlfriend in the whole wide world. We are in a car right now. We are on our way to Rochester, which is like a neighboring city to Syracuse. We're actually on our way to get a puppy. She's so excited. She's more excited than me. She's been frantic the whole fucking time. She's been up my ass about getting on the highway and onto the road, but we're here. We're on the highway, and when we get the dog, you'll see him. And look, I know I have this pimple on me, all right? I don't want to hear it, all right? Don't leave any comment. Don't leave anything gross to me. I don't need to hear it.
Okay, go, go, go. She always be talking like she no. I told her don't ever leave me long. I guess I'm after them
Right now, we've got about an hour drive away. We're chilling on the highway. We're trying to think of dog names. All right, we're probably gonna come up with our own. But if you see this video, drop a name below, and maybe if it's a better name than the one we decide, maybe we'll use it. Leave a comment below, a good dog name that you think would go well with our dog. Okay, that was. So leave a comment below that. Leave a comment below of a name that you think would fit our dog. All right, great, awesome, fucking cut.
You wanna know how I got so dope, losing my control. Now you wanna know why I got so cold. I've been feeling old.
All right, everybody, bag is secured. Hey, buddy. Uh-oh. Now look over here. He's definitely nervous. So we got a long car ride home, and then we'll get to be able to play at home. Hey, little buddy. He's just a little baby. Look at me, so excited now. He's not scared anymore. He's playing. He's licking my face. Oh, he's so cute. Want some water? Here you go. All right, boys. We had to do a little switch up because Rachel had to hold the puppy.
Hey.
Rachel had to hold the dog while we went home, so I'm driving on the way back now. But we got the puppy. We're on our way home. She loves him. Oh, she's so sad. She's scared.
Oh.
Yeah, this is all right. Oh, she loves me. Or I keep saying she. He loves me.
Yeah, Visa up, motherfucker, what it is. Visionary, we taking over the whole biz. All over your city like we in a blow biz. Never go Hollywood, even knowing your show biz. Baby girl, I just wanna give it to you like you never had it. When it comes to music, I'm an addict, a killer. Ain't another illa for real, that's where the dealer. Rest in peace, the best with beats. And I'm about to bring the heat like 5-0. Cutting records when I'm out in Cabo. Y'all check out more verses than the Bible. I'm liable to murder anybody that pretend to be a contender. There's no better than us. The second we bust, they got so trust where we get it in. Cutting records like a dividend. You can kill me, but my music it will live again. Rap Pack, 6 months on the track. Remedy on the picture.
We're finally back home. It's been literally fucking 6 hours. I don't know if it's been 6 hours, but it's been a while. A lot of driving. The dog's finally home. Hey, there I am. I'm trying to keep it a little bit quiet because the dog is actually sleeping. But I'm sure if I do another vlog or another video, he will be in it. His name is Leo, by the way. That's what we're going with right now. But if you have a good good name that you think would fit well, leave it in the comments below. I'll be reading those, and then. All right. Peace out, everybody. Thank you for watching. Drop a like, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Peace.